stop. Before you scroll past this, you need to hear something that will change the way you see people forever. There is someone in your life right now. They smile at you, they talk to you, but deep inside, something about you makes them furious. And the crazy part, you are not doing anything wrong. You are actually doing everything right. That is exactly the problem. You found your peace. You stopped reacting. You stopped fighting. You stopped letting small things steal your smile. And now, without saying a single word, without throwing a single punch, you are making certain people lose their minds. But why? Why does your calm make them so angry? Why does your happiness feel like an insult to them? The answer is going to shock you, because it has nothing to do with you. It never did. See, when you are at peace, you become a mirror. And some people cannot stand what they see in that mirror. Your silence reminds them of how loud they are. Your smile reminds them of how miserable they feel. Your stillness reminds them of how out of control their life is. You are not doing anything to them. You are just existing. But your existence alone is enough to make them uncomfortable. And here is where it gets really interesting. The people who hate your peace the most are the ones who tried to take it from you before. They yelled at you, they pushed you, they created drama and waited for you to fall apart. But you did not fall. You stood still, you stayed calm, and that broke something inside them. Because chaos needs company, misery needs a partner. And when you refused to join them in the storm, you became their biggest threat. Not because you are their enemy, but because you proved something they are desperately trying to deny, that peace is possible, that healing is real, that life can actually be good, and they are not ready to believe that yet. So they attack what they cannot have. They mock your growth. They call your peace fake. They say you think you are better than everyone. But listen carefully. Their anger is not about you. It is a confession. Every time they rage at your calm, they are confessing that they are suffering. Every time they try to pull you back into the chaos, they are confessing that they are drowning. Every time they say your peace is not real, they are confessing that they wish they had it. You are not their problem. You are their reminder. And that is a very different thing. Now, here is what most people get wrong. When someone gets angry at your peace, the first instinct is to either fight back or shrink back. You either want to defend yourself or you start feeling guilty for being okay. You start wondering if your happiness is somehow wrong. You start making yourself smaller so they feel more comfortable. But that is the trap. Because the moment you give up your peace to calm their anger, you lose the very thing that was protecting you. And they know it. Maybe not consciously. But some part of them is always watching, always testing, always waiting to see if they can pull you back down. Do not go back down. Your peace is not arrogance. It is not an attack. It is not something you need to apologize for. It is the most powerful thing you own. It is the result of every hard night you survived, every betrayal you healed from, every version of yourself you had to let go of to become who you are now. And you are just supposed to throw that away to make someone else comfortable? Absolutely not. Here is the truth that will set you free. You cannot be at peace and keep everyone happy at the same time. Those two things do not live together. The moment your peace becomes real, certain people will leave. Certain people will get loud. Certain people will call you cold, distant, changed. And they are right. You are changed. You just changed in a direction they cannot follow. And that is okay. Let them be angry. Let them talk. Let them stir the pot. Because while they are busy being bothered by your peace, you are busy building your life. You are busy healing, growing, winning quietly. And nothing, absolutely nothing, drives certain people crazier than watching someone they underestimated win in silence. So the next time someone gets angry at your peace, do not panic. Do not explain yourself. Just smile. Because their anger is the biggest proof that your peace is real. You have something they cannot touch, and that drives them crazy. Protect your peace. Guard it. Fight for it, because it is the most valuable thing you own. If this hit you deep, like this video right now, share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Comment below and tell me, has anyone ever gotten angry at your peace? And if you are new here, subscribe. There is so much more coming that you do not want to miss.